Hello everybody and welcome to another enVision's Algebra 2 math video. Here we're going to look at topic 4, lesson 3, example 4, multiply a rational expression by a polynomial and try it. So we're going to look at what is the product of x plus 2 divided by x to the fourth minus 16 times x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x. Jump over to my notepad. Let's hide this guy so I can get my writing tools. And we're going to jump straight in here. First, I'm going to factor everything before I start the multiplication. So we have x plus 2 divided by, this is a perfect square because it's a squared minus b squared, where a happens to be x squared and b is equal to 4. So we're looking at x squared minus 4, x squared plus 4. And then this guy right here, we're going to factor out an x, and we're left with x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, I'm going to continue the factoring because I again have another difference of squares right here. E-R-E-N-C-E of SQ. So again, my a is going to equal x, my b is going to equal 2. So we're looking at x plus 2. I'm going to get this line right here because it looks a little bit better. Divided by x minus 2, x plus 2, and x squared plus 4. This is the sum of squares. We could go into that complex number, but I'm just going to keep it as x squared plus 4 times, factor this guy out. So two numbers that multiply to give me 12 are going to be 6 and 2, 3 and 4, 12 and 1. I think 6 and 2 would give me that 4 in the middle. Oh, I said 6 and 2 and then I read a 4. And where's my eraser? 2. All right, so this is a negative, so one of my factors needs to be negative. Looking at this sign for the middle, this is positive, so my bigger number is going to be positive, my smaller number is going to be negative. All right, what happens here with a division? We're going to take this line, if I could grab the line, and we're going to actually go straight through that dot, kind of like we're playing connect the dots. We're connecting one side to the other. That's what that dot's doing for us. It's connecting the one side to the other. It's a joint. All right, so now I'm going to look at my factors, and first we got to call out what x cannot be before I start factoring out. So x cannot equal 2, negative 2, 2i, and negative 2i. And again, I set this equal to 0, and I solved for x. And because it's going to be a negative 4, you have the 2i and positive 2i. So those are the values that this cannot be. Although on a graph, we'll never see 2i and negative 2i. Now we're going to start canceling out. This cancels out with that. That cancels out with that. So we are left with x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 4 equal to negative 2. All right, so let's go to Sevis. And here they go. And I'm keeping out that 2i and negative 2i because those are not graphing points. We're looking for the domain, so we're looking for points on the graph that x does exist. So we don't have to worry about the 2i and negative 2i. We just have to worry about the negative 2 and 2. Alrighty, so in the try it, find the simplified form of each product of the domain. So again, you're going to multiply it and find the domain. Again, for the domain, you're looking at integers, you're looking at real roots. We're not looking at the imaginary or complex roots. All right, so guys, I will catch you in the next video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.